Alright guys, here we are at 966 East Doris Street. As you can see, we have the awesome home here right in front of us. And then a quick look at the homes next door. And then let's go ahead and take a quick step inside. One thing that's very nice about this home is you are in a really nice location. So you're just a couple of minutes away from a lot of food, a lot of shopping places. So you don't have to worry about a long drive, and you're right next to Avenue. I mean, technically you're in Avondale, so you have a very new up and coming area as well. So there's tons of things that are going to be added. So not only are you only in a prime location, but it's only going to get better. As you can see, when we step inside, you have this beautiful new flooring all throughout here. And new paint up in this front area as well as the bedrooms. So let's step past here. This could easily be like a little dining area with your cool little chandelier up there. Or if you wanted to make this your dining area, again, another fan and light combo up there. And then tons of windows letting in lots and lots of natural light. I will say it's a pretty cloudy, rainy day. So it's not quite as bright as it normally will be once the sun is all the way out. But as you can see, I mean, it's still very light and bright in here. And we'll step past here into your kitchen. What you can see is a very large size kitchen. And some of the appliances will be with the homes, like the microwave, the stove, the dishwasher right here. All of that's going to stay with the home and be provided for you. So that's another nice bonus to have, where you don't have to worry about providing your own appliances. And then as you can see over here, very nice sized pantry as well. So let's go ahead and take a quick look out in the backyard, which is probably one of my favorite parts of the home, just because you have a really cool layout out here. So as you can see, you have a nice little covered patio area over here, but then you're going to have a ton of space all the way out here in the back as well. So, if you have any friends or family coming over, any pets, they're going to all have tons of room out here to have a great time. And we'll go ahead and take a quick step back inside. Alright, so once we're back inside, we will go ahead and head on over to the guest section of the home, I guess you could say. So you're going to have your primary, which is actually going to be back there, which is very nice and private. But let's go ahead and take a look at the guest bedrooms first. So as you can see, you kind of have like your own little wing over here. You have a nice storage closet as well. And then of course your hall bathroom, which is a full bathroom. So you have your nice shower tub combo back here as well. And then we'll step into our first guest bedroom. So you can see very nice sized rooms. And then again, that beautiful new flooring all throughout. And then of course, your ceiling fan and your large closet over there. Which you can see provides 2 full doors of storage. And the closet actually tucks all the way back there as well. So it's almost like a 3-door storage unit, which is very nice. It's almost the size of like a primary closet, which is super nice to have. And then this one is almost a copy of the first. So again, new flooring, your ceiling fan, a nice big window, and then another very large closet, which again tucks all the way back behind over here. And then the last thing besides this storage closet right here is going to be your laundry room and garage access. So as you can see, the washer and dryer are provided for you as well, just like in the kitchen. And then you'll take a step out into your 2-car garage, which is a very nice size. Let's see out here. So that's about it for this section of the home. We will come back out into the main living area. And almost tucked away behind the kitchen, you're going to have another storage closet, which you can see in here. And then you're going to have your primary bedroom and bathroom. So you can see a super nice size space. Again, all the beautiful new flooring throughout. And then off to your right, you're gonna have a massive walk-in closet, which you can see goes all the way back over there. And then lastly, you're gonna have your private bathroom, which you can see in here, a nice vanity, as well as the shower tub combo over there. So as you can see, I mean, tons and tons of space all throughout this home, and some very nice new custom finishes, such as some of the paint and the flooring in here. But that's going to be about it for a tour of this home, guys. I mean, if you have any questions, you want to come see it for yourself, you want to apply online, you can do that all on our website, which is rpmphoenixvalley.com. And thank you guys for touring with me.